Welcome to today's St. Anthony's classes. Today we are going to consider a question in linear equations in one variable, that is there as per the NCERT syllabus in 8th standard class. And I request those who are interested to attend this class, otherwise this lecture, to watch this video without missing any part of the session of this lecture, so that you will be able to understand very well. And if you could understand thoroughly, then I request you to like my video and also share my video with your friends. And in order to get more solved questions in 8th standard as well as in higher standard, it will be beneficial for you if you could subscribe my channel. So request you to subscribe my channel also. Now let us come to this question. Question is the difference between the ages of two brothers today is 4 years. 5 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 5/7. A fraction is given. What is the age of each brother? We have to find out the age of each brother. This is coming in equations with one variable. So we will solve this question by introducing one variable, as we don't know ages of any of the brothers. Here we know two relationships. Today's relationship is that difference between their age is 4 years, and before 5 years a relationship is given. The ratio of their age is given as 5/7. So let us start. Let the age of younger brother is equal to younger brother as on today, isn't it? As on today is, we are considering it as X. So what will be the age of the elder brother? Age of the elder brother today. Since the age of the younger brother is X and the age of the elder brother is 4 more than that of the age of the younger brother, the difference between, question is given, the difference between the ages of two brothers today is 4 years. It means that age of the elder brother will be 4 years more than that of age of the younger brother. So we have already defined the age of the younger brother, that is X. We can add 4, so we will get the age of the elder brother. Now let us go 4 years ago. Sorry, 5 years ago as per the question. 5 years ago, the age of younger brother will be, today the age of the younger brother is X. So before 5 years, definitely we have to minus 5 from X. So it will be X minus 5. So what will be the age of the elder brother? The age of elder brother. This is before 5 years. Today, the age of the elder brother is x plus 4. X plus 4, then minus 5 from here. So that plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1. That is x minus 1. It means the age of the elder brother before 5 years was x minus 1 and the younger brother x minus 5. Then what we are having? We are having a ratio at the time of 5 years before. The ratio here, the ratio is given here as 5/7. 5/7, in this, the numerator is less than the denominator. The numerator is lower than the denominator. It means the numerator, who is having the less age, the younger brother is having the less age. So numerator is representing the age of the younger brother and the denominator is representing the age of the elder brother. So let us take the ratio accordingly. So age of the younger brother as per 5 years before. So it is given here, it is x minus 5, and age of the elder brother 5 years before is x minus 1. That will be equal to 5/7. That will be equal to 5/7. Now cross multiply. X minus 5 in cross multiplication, x minus 5, 7 will come here into 7. That will be equal to x minus 1 into 5. Then when we multiply here, it will come 7x minus 5 into 7 will be equal to 5x minus 1 into 5. So that this will become 7x minus 35. Here we will get 5x minus 5. So bring the variable term to the left side. We are having here 7x. Bring this 5x also to here. So that here it is, right side it is plus. So left side it will become minus. 7x minus 5x it will come. And this left side we are having minus 35. That we are bringing. Otherwise we are moving to right side. So right side we are having minus 5. And here in left side 35 is minus. So right side it will be plus 35. So we are going to get 30. Here 7x minus 5x is 2x is equal to 30. (2x) equal to 30. Now x will be equal to 30 divided by 2. That is 15. So we got the answer for the variable x that we have assumed. What is x? X is representing the age of the younger brother. So we can write, therefore, the age of the younger brother is equal to, we have assumed it as x. So if we want, we can write it as x also. 15 years. Now, the age of the elder brother is x plus 4, it will come, isn't it? We can write here is equal to x plus 4, that is equal to x is representing 15. 15 plus 4, which will be is equal to 19 years. So the age of the younger brother is 15 years and the age of the elder brother is 19 years. Hope you could understand it well. If you are having any genuine or valuable doubt, you can put it in comment box so that I can give you the answer or reply for your valuable doubts. Your valuable doubts is always welcome and that will boost my knowledge also. So thank you for attending. Please share this video with your friends and also subscribe my video. Thank you.